Legends, and very warm welcome to Kefalonia. You've been pleased to know we've landed nice and early, and the local time here is 3:20. If you could please remain seated now with your seatbelt securely fastened until we finish our taxi on stand and the seatbelt sign above your head has been switched off. Please be careful when you open the overhead lockers, items may fall out, and we strongly recommend now that you check the surrounding floor area and seat pocket for any items that do belong to you. If you require any assistance in the terminal, there'll be uniformed staff to guide you through, and if you're here on holiday with a representative, they'll be outside the terminal to assist you. On behalf of Captain Joe Parros, all of the crew, everyone at Thomas Cook Airlines, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us. If you're here on holiday, we wish you a great time, and we wish everybody a safe onward journey now. Thank you, and a very good afternoon.